Car wash machines have revolutionized the way we clean and maintain our vehicles. Offering convenience, efficiency, and thorough cleaning, these machines are an essential tool for both personal use and commercial car wash businesses. This guide explores the various types of car wash machines, their benefits, and key considerations when purchasing one. Types of car wash machines. Automatic. Car wash machines. Tunnel car wash. Cars are driven onto a conveyor belt, which moves them through various washing stages. Rollover car wash. The car remains stationary while the machine moves over and around it, performing different cleaning operations. Touchless car wash. Uses high-pressure water and detergents without physical contact to avoid potential scratches. Self-service car wash machines. Pressure washers. Handheld devices allowing users to manually wash their vehicles with high-pressure water. Foam cannons. Attached to pressure washers to apply a thick layer of foam that loosens dirt and grime. Vacuum stations. High-powered vacuums for interior cleaning. Portable car wash machines, compact pressure. Washers. Ideal for home use, these are smaller and easier to handle. Waterless car wash systems. Use a minimal amount of water along with specialized cleaning solutions. Benefits of using car wash machines. Efficiency. Saves time compared to manual washing. Consistency. Delivers uniform cleaning results every time. Water conservation. Modern machines are designed to use water efficiently. Convenience. Easy to use, with many machines offering automated features. Key features to consider. Water pressure and flow rate. Higher pressure and flow rates typically mean more effective cleaning. Detergent compatibility. Ensure the machine can use various cleaning agents suitable for different types of dirt and surfaces. Energy consumption. Look for energy-efficient models to save on electricity bills. Ease of maintenance. Machines with easy-to-clean components and accessible parts are preferable. Size and portability. Depending on your needs, choose a machine that fits your space and mobility requirements. Cost. Balance between initial investment and long-term benefits, such as durability and efficiency. Tips for using car wash machines. Pre-rinse. Always start with a pre-rinse to remove loose dirt and debris. Proper detergent use. Use the right amount of detergent to avoid residue and ensure a clean finish. Regular maintenance. Keep your machine in top condition by regularly cleaning and inspecting it. Safe distance. Maintain a safe distance between the pressure washer nozzle and the car surface to avoid damage. Post-wash care. Dry the vehicle properly to prevent water spots and streaks. Conclusion. Car wash machines are a valuable investment for maintaining the appearance and longevity of your vehicle. Whether you opt for a commercial automatic system or a portable home device, understanding your needs and the features of these machines will help you make an informed decision. Embrace the convenience and efficiency of car wash machines for a spotless and well-maintained car every time. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked what you saw and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.